What's up, my friends? Can you make $250 a day? Yup, you can. And in fact, I not only did this once, but twice today. So that makes 500. And I'm going to go over in this video how I used a work from home system called $25 one up to do exactly that. And let me just show you that I did in fact do that twice. So this is my Square. I have multiple ways to accept payments, and I was able to accept another $250. All right, so I have two different people paying me $250 today. All right, let's go over what this work from home system is called $25 one up, and I'm going to walk you through how you can get started with this same system. So let's get right into it. So my name is Coach KIRKSHINTA, and I actually help people learn how to make money online and how to do it and avoid some of the pitfalls that I experienced online. So I really try to make it simple for people to really understand what they need to do to be able to do what I've been able to do, which is with this system make over, well, at this point, over $19,000 with this work from home system. So I love this system. I absolutely do. And I'm so excited for people to always get started with it and to learn how to use this work from home system and be able to create whatever income that you want. All right. So what this program is it's a direct commission program, meaning that when you make a commission, you get paid direct to you, however you want to receive the commission. So you can get paid via PayPal, Square, Cash App, Facebook payments, offline, however you want to get paid, you can get paid with this system, which is great. It's 100% commissions, not 50%, not 25%. You make commissions. And what we do to actually receive this commissions, we do a few daily activities, and mostly is posting ads on social media and responding to people who want information. And that's it. We give you I give you the information on how to respond to those people. And the great thing about these packages, what the product is digital marketing information, okay, that you need to know. And once you know that information, you can monetize yourself over and over again and make money forever online because you understand how to make money online. Now, there are several packages that you can get started with this work from home program, this work from home system. And before you decide what package you want, this is where you have to think about your goals. Do you want hobby income? Do you want part-time income, or do you want full-time income? Well, my story is that when I was in a job that I hated, and I knew that I needed to create full-time income. I needed as much money as I could get as fast as I could get it, because I had to leave that job, and that was my story. So me joining at a hobby or part-time level was not an option. Full-time income levels were the only thing that were going to help me create the income that I needed to be able to do what I wanted to do, which was create full-time income. So there are several packages. I don't talk about the goal because I don't partner with people at goal. I'm about helping people create serious income. So everyone in Boss Empire and my team starts at platinum or higher. Okay, platinum is $125 one time to be able to start a home business. There's a $10 software fee. This is for people who want hobby or part-time income, okay? For people who want full-time, they want to create full-time income from home. I'm in my bedroom, I got my little head scarf on. I'm from home. I like to create income from home, okay? These are the full-time income levels, $250, $500, and $1,000, okay? Whatever package that you get, there's going to be digital marketing education that you're going to get at each package. Of course, the higher that you go, you not only increase your earning potential, so but on top of that, you get more digital marketing training, and that digital marketing training will help you learn how to use social media to forever be able to make money online. Okay, not just with this program, but just in general. Okay, and that's a skill set that people really need to understand and learn. I've been able to create so many income streams from understanding how to market online and how to make money on the internet. Okay, so at the elite level, at the $1,000 level, you're gonna be positioned to make $1,000 commissions. And on top of being a position to make $1,000 commissions, you get access to a full affiliate marketing course. Okay, at the $500 level, you're eligible to earn $500 commissions, up to $500 commissions, I should say. And you also get additional digital marketing training. At the $250 level, you're going to get more advanced social media training like Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, things like that. You're going to get information to that. At the platinum level, you're going to get basic internet marketing training. Again, how to leverage free platforms, Facebook, YouTube. That's what I was trying to think, YouTube. Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram to be able to create commissions online. All right, so that's what you're going to get. Now, the thing is, this program allows you to get paid daily, right? You don't, when you make a commission, you earn that direct to you that day. Okay, you don't have to wait till Friday or Wednesday or things like that. Direct commissions direct to you. Now, one thing that I want to say is whatever package that you join at, okay, 1,500, 250, or 125. The one thing to know is that, like for example, I'm at the elite level, the $1,000 level. Whatever level that you're at, if you were at the $1,000 level, you're able to earn at that level and all the packages underneath. And what that means is you're going to get a link, which you have a self-done website or a website, a replicated website that you get from the company. Okay. When people go into your website, which is essentially your digital store, they make a decision about what package they're going to buy. Okay. When they buy that package, if you were at the elite level, which is a $1,000 level, I'm able to earn 1,500, 250, and 125. So if someone came in my link, they went into my digital store and they said, "Oh, I like this diamond package. I'm positioned to get 250 commissions." Someone else came in and they said, "Oh, I want the enterprise. I'm going to get 500. I'm positioned to be able to earn at that because it's the level underneath which I joined." If someone came into my digital store and said, "I want the $1,000 package," I'm still positioned to make that commission because I joined at the elite level. Okay, so just remember, position yourself as high as you can, as soon as you can, and you position yourself to earn the most commissions and not lose commissions. Okay, now that said, I will say that this company is one of the fairest companies that I've seen out there with their commission plans. And for example, one of the things that this company allows is, okay, like let's say that you came in at the diamond level, the 250 level. Okay, and someone came in your store and they said, "Oh, I'm going to buy that elite package. Okay, I'm going to get that $1,000 level." And a lot of companies, they would say, "You get nothing, you get zero." Okay, because you weren't qualified at that level. But in our company, they say, "Okay, we're going to be fair. Someone came into your store, they purchased the $1,000 level, but you're only qualified at the 250 level. We're going to give you the 250 and the rest will roll up to your sponsor who is qualified at that level." And I hate to see that happen to people. I've seen people like loot. Like I had one guy in a month, he lost two $500 commissions. They rolled up and I'm like, "Dude, get to the $500 level." Cause like you just lost two $500 commissions, but it is what it is. So position yourself wherever you like. Just realize that, you want to be qualified to earn the most commissions, and also think about your goals. What goals do you realistically want to achieve? Okay, again, if you want to create full-time income, you have to have a vehicle that can pay you full-time income. So think about that. All right. One of the things I love about this program is that there is leverage built into this program. And what that means is, see, I can't stop smiling because I love this, right? One of the things that I always do with people is plug them into the blueprint. And my blueprint that I give to people is literally the exact strategy that I use, that I leverage on social media to be able to create full-time income. Okay, so when my team member goes out and I plug them into the blueprint and they plug their people into the same blueprint, right? We're about duplication over in Boss Empire. That's my tribe, okay? When they go do the same thing, for every person I bring into this program, I make double the commission. For example, I bring in someone at the 250 level, okay? Instead of making $250, I made $500, okay? So for the month, let's say that I helped 5 people get started with this work from home system through my efforts, my marketing efforts that you learn in the blueprint, right? Posting ads on social media, so on and so forth, and responding to people who reach out for information, right? Through my marketing efforts, 5 people came into this work from home system. I made $1,250, right? But when those same 5 people that I plugged into the same blueprint, they go out and do the same thing, right? I made an extra $250 for each one of those people. I made an additional $1,250. I made $2,500 for the month off of 5 commissions, all right? And a lot of work from home systems, I can tell you, I did MLM marketing for a long time. and barely had success, like steady success with it. For me to make $2,500 a month, I would typically have to make 30 to 40 sales to make just $2,500 a month. Okay, 5. Okay, so one of the things to know is that I do give people step-by-step training, because I think that it's important for people to know, to not just have a system, but to know what to do to work the system and make actual commissions. So, you know, I do have tons of testimonials from people who have used my blueprint, who love it, who just rave about it, because it really does give people my actual strategy. Okay, so that's that. I'm not going to go too much into this, but I do want to show you what I do give to people. I do give people access to an actual course. And in this course, they're going to get access to my 5K blueprint. Okay, that's where I'm walking them through how to set up their system. And these are things that a lot of people won't give to people. They just say, oh, great, you signed up. Great. Go do what you do. Everything's in your back office. Go run. I want people to actually have my actual blueprint. I want people to know how to set up their system. I want people to know how to market. I want to know people know that marketing is simple and fun. You just have to be consistent, okay? And I want people to know how to respond to people when they ask for information. And these are the things that I provide in my blueprint training. I'm not going to show it all because it's for people that join. But that's it, you know, and I just want to actually show you a testimonial of one of my blueprint students. And this is Beth, and using the blueprint that I gave to her, she went on to make multiple commissions in her first week, and she made a $250 commission the following week. So she is stacking these $250 commissions because she learned what to do, right? She was marketing online before and not getting commissions. But when she got into my Boss Mentorship Academy and she got access to my blueprint, she learned what to do. Okay, so if you're serious, you need to line yourself at platinum or higher to get access to the blueprint. And you know, if you have questions, reach out to me. My contact information will be beneath this video, and I would love to plug you into the blueprint and help you get started and help you be the next Beth. All right, so that's it. Subscribe to my channel, turn on that little notifications bell, and here's to your success online. Bye, guys.